sport is a very dynamic sport. I've been involved in strength sports since I was a little kid. But they only have 1 million people, and it's very rich in minerals. Has gold, silver, has a lot of diamonds, and coal, which is the same as diamonds. Coal is kind of a newer version of diamonds, right? A coal company owned it. It sounds kind of like a contradictory in the U.S. To be walking around with advertising a coal company, but.
Coach or run competition, so it's pretty much just me and Odd. Odd's in California, I'm in Indiana. And there's a lot of room that's not covered in this country. So if there's anybody that's neat that wants to be involved, if somebody's like from the Mississippi East, I can do my best.
Let's try to match up a little more evenly. Sorry.
Yakutia. Yakut.
And you're lifting your body up. And the point is, if they're really flat and low to the board, it's hard to lift them up because you're just pulling against their body.
It's hard to shift around when you're in full tension.
Yeah, but so if you have it way out here, you'll find someone really good, like Azat is really good at this, where like you pull and he'll just flatten out, and no matter how strong you are, you can pull 1,000, you won't get him over. So you have to lift yourself up, and then you pull them up, right? So you kind of start lifting, you know what I'm talking about.
Yeah.
You've seen videos.
Yeah,
That's called pancaking. So basically I pull you and you're just straight, so we can kind of keep that.
Yes.
And at that point, I'm going to try and go over here. Yeah. Right. Yeah, good. When we're pulling straight back, you want to have your torso back as far as you can, because the further back your body weight is, the harder you are to pick up. So if you're like squatting like this, really close, you're just going to go flying. Yeah, it's like you have a bar and you have weight loaded on the back of it.
That's right. The longer the lever.
The longer the bar, the harder it is to pick up. So you want to have length and like how far the weight is back.
I'm stiff though, so
And you get it on your side, you're on the offense. And then it's easier to step around. So when you're stepping, you want to try and like step and try and lean. So basically I'm trying to do kind of two. Check! Lift up. Yeah. Oh, almost. Yeah.
something like that.
Check!
There you go. Your arms straight. Push with your legs. Push your legs. Nice.
Same time, that's why you restart. That's why the thumbs up.
And also, both legs feet on there.
Right.
But you have to have at least one foot on the board.
Sometimes you can't pull them over, and if they're good defensively, you just can't beat them. But say, go on the outside.
Oh, me on.
So if you're on the outside, what I'm going to do is if I'm thinking about breaking your grip, I'm going to put my overhand next to your underhand, and my underhand next to your overhand. And when we're pulling, just lean back a bit. So if there's a bit of a lull in the tension, what I'm going to do is I'm just going to do this a little bit. And every time I do that, what I'm doing is I'm actually opening your hand, right? So like,
I can feel
it's hard when you're pulling, you can't really like torque too much. But every time I do that, it opens you just a little bit more.
Yeah,
and I'm trying to open your grip. He's so huge, but you can break his grip. You can make him let go by doing this. And then on the outside, typically what you'll see, just grab the stick on the inside. On the outside, typically what you see is the same deal, but when you're pulling, they just stack their lats. Sweet.
I feel him here too.
Yeah.
You earned the third round. Good job, buddy.
If the stick's really close to your feet, it's like it's creating less of a moment to lift you. But if it's really far away, it's a lot more of a moment, like a rotational force. Your choice.
Come on, Joe.
There you go, that's it.
Oh.
There you go. Ah.
Move. Yeah, good, good.
Yeah.
So you want to try and get outside them and lean that way.
Now push your shoulder all the way on the floor.
Butt back, butt back. Leg straight, yeah, leg straight.
Straight him out. Straight him out. Push back.
Two
Push back.
legs
Push
straight.
back.
Yeah.
Push back. Keep pushing. Get on that.
Keep going, don't give up.
Push back. You guys just write your first name. We don't need your whole name. Talked about being an operator.
Stick around with it.
Check. Check. Woo. Check. Winner float. Winner red. Check. Bell check. Come on. Winner blue. Bell check. Bell check. 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 No, check. Was he looking for Odin? No, check. No, keep pulling. Keep pulling. Pull.
Thank everybody for coming out, trying it out, and hopefully you learn something about it in your sport, and you'll try to kind of follow up on it and continue doing it.